Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to listen to a very interesting story. So listen very carefully. Now there are some new words you might find in the story. So let me tell you those words. Twinkling matlab chamakna, roshan. Ordinary आमसा. Relax आराम से. Hill एक पहाड़ी. Gleam चमकना. Disappear गायब हो जाना. आइए अब हम कहानी सुनते हैं. Mahnur was a young girl. She lived in a very small and simple house on a hill. As soon as the sun came up and its beautiful golden rays fell on everything, she would stop and stare at the house on the other side of the hill. The sun rays lightened the house, and it looked like a beautiful golden necklace with windows and doors like twinkling diamonds. Mahnur would stare at the beauty of that house for hours. Then her house seemed so ordinary to her. Though she loved her family very much, still she longed to see that beautiful, glittering, golden house that was lit like a jewel in the golden sun rays. One day, her mother said to her, "You are a big girl now. I allow you to go to the other side of the hill." So she rode her bike over the hill, and finally she was on the other side of the hill. Now she could see the golden house, but as soon as she came near it, its shine disappeared. She was surprised to see that there was no house there at all. There was only the shadow of a house. It was the shadow of a house that was on the other side of the hill. With a heavy heart, she saw something gleaming in the sunlight on the other side of the hill. It was a house which was shining like a jewel. She jumped on her bike and headed in the direction of that beautiful house. As she came near to the house, she realized that it was her house. Right in front of her eyes was her own house, covered all over with early morning golden sun rays. She felt relaxed and relieved. When she went inside the house, her mother came running towards her and asked her where she had gone. Her young brother looked at her and quickly hugged her with open hands. She was very happy now, as she knew that the gleam was in her own heart. Now, listen to the story again very carefully and then answer these 4 questions. Number 1. What kind of girl was Mahnur? Number 2. What did she like on the other side of the hill? Number 3. What was special about that house? And number 4. How did she feel after coming close to that house? Okay, now listen to this story again. Try to understand everything in this story. Then open your copies and try answering these 4 questions. Allah Hafiz.